Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome. In today's video, we're doing a DIY, turning an oversized shirt into a dress. We will be working with two shirts in this video. I got these shirts from Ross. They're extra large. This shirt was $7.99 and I think the other one was $8.99. I will show you guys as the video continues. I wish I would have got these shirts a little bit bigger because they was kind of short. I didn't realize how tall I was. I'm 5'6", so if you 5'6", get a XX large, not just a extra large, but everything came out wonderful, so I'm not complaining. So the things you're going to need is some stick pins, scissors, an old dress that you can fit in a sewing machine. Here you can see me laying the dress, my old dress, down completely flat on top of the shirt, and then I'm gonna cut, leaving at least an inch allowance. I decided to fold my shirt over so that I can get the exact same cut. You don't have to do this. You can go ahead and leave the dress down and cut like that, like you did the other side. But I just feel this way it makes both sides come out exactly the same without me messing up. When you're done cutting, go ahead and flip your shirt inside out and pin both sides down. Okay, for this shirt we're going to cut a little bit different. Once you lay the old dress flat down on top of the shirt, you're going to fold the sleeve inwards, as you can see in the clip above. Once you finish doing that, you're going to cut all the way up the shirt, which means you will cut the sleeves and everything else off upwards, and then you're going to cut across, which means you will cut the neck part off. If none of that makes sense, don't just continue to watch the video and you will see exactly what I'm doing. Don't forget to turn the back and front part inside out and pin all the way down. Once I finish pinning everything down, I'm going to take it over to my sewing machine and begin sewing. Now, I just want to remind you, you do not have to have a sewing machine to sew this. You can use a needle and thread. It may take you a little bit longer, but that's okay. That's what I used to do before I had a sewing machine. So always remember to back stitch once you start sewing. Always. And don't be like me and put your pins the wrong way, because it's going to make sewing a little bit harder than it should be. I don't know how I end up doing that, but make sure you put the pins the opposite way that you're sewing. I'm going to let you all continue to enjoy the video, because it's plenty of videos here on YouTube showing you guys how to sew. Okay, for this dress, we're going to start off by just sewing both sides down. For this particular dress, you're going to need elastic. Take the elastic band and measure your top part of your breast. Don't scratch it or anything. Just let it be how it is and measure and cut off what you need to cut off. And as you see in the clip above, you're going to fold over the elastic, leaving a little bit of room, just a little bit, not a lot, and pin it down. Don't pin the elastic down, just pin the fold down. Make sure you leave 2 or 3 inches of open space. You will see what I'm talking about in the next clip. Sew everything that you pin down but that open space. I repeat, do not sew down that open space, because you're going to need to take your elastic through that open space. Put a safety pin at the end of your elastic band in the open space that I told you all to leave open. You're going to put the elastic band through that and pull it through with the safety pin, which makes it a lot easier. Just continue to watch the clip and you'll get the gist of everything. Once you pull the elastic band through, put each end of the elastic band together and sew. Voila! Both dresses are done, and I love how they both came out. One dress shorter than the other one, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. I hope you all like the way the dresses turned out, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, share, and subscribe. Continue to watch the rest of the video.